mountain. We got trails all over. Been riding this lawnmower around to get up. His four-wheeler broke down, so I'm letting him drive down part of the mountain so I can walk a little bit. Alright, sit down, buddy. Sit down. Gets steep right here. It's weird because you can never tell the steepness with a camera. But you can kind of see, like, almost looks flat. Well, I'll put it in 2. No, not by itself, no. Well, the hills, the very steep hill is right up here, so just leave it right in this gear. No, we'll go down that way, buddy. Alright, whatever, go with it. You're not gonna coast down that big hill, though. Yeah, he likes to coast down some of the hills, but I'm usually on it with him. But yeah, if anybody knows what year this lawnmower is, nice to know. I picked it up for 200 bucks. I don't even know if that was a good deal, but his four-wheeler broke, and last year he rode around on the lawnmower and he seemed to like riding the lawnmower better than his four-wheeler, so I went out and got this for him. It won't do it. Which way? Alright, put it in 2. 2. Put it in 2. As you can tell, I'm not a big video maker, but... And man, this lawnmower, when both of us are on it, I literally drive through trees and everything. Like, with him on it, it don't go as good, but when I get on it, I let a lot of the air out of the tires too. Yeah, you can see how we made the trails pretty cool. Is that 2? Put it in 2. Yeah. I've been having a problem with it backfiring a lot while we're riding. I'm not really good with the style of carburetor on it. Yeah, you can never tell how steep these hills are, but this is actually really steep. No, I don't want you coasting when I'm not on it, though. Now just keep it in 2, buddy. Yeah, now he's figuring out how to coast it by himself, so he keeps trying to do it. And this thing actually has disc brakes on it. He's got another trail going down that way, and another one going over here on the left. Soon I'll show you all the trails. Now this is what we've been working on, so he hasn't really been making many videos. He doesn't have a lot of subscribers, but he enjoys doing this. So if you definitely enjoy it, like and subscribe. But I definitely want to get some tires where we can go through mud, because part of the land has some mud on it and stuff. Oh yeah. But he does pretty good. He shifting it. He has to slide down off the seat to reach the pedal to stop it. And then when he gets it in gear, he just pops the clutch. And usually if he puts it in high gear, it does a wicked burnout. But he likes shifting through the gears. Alright, we will. Alright. Alright, I'll pop and grab that side. Oh yeah, it's got one of them cherry knots in it. Watch out, buddy. There. Oh, you're strong, buddy. You are strong. You alright? What'd you do?
I do this.
Oh no, is it broken?
No.
If so, I'll have to chop it off with the axe. And we cleared all this out. The bear has been around getting into the trash, so now I gotta pick all this up. This is just from the winter. And we started building a little tree fort. Nothing fancy, it was just something quickly thrown together. Oh, we got the dumpster delivered today, so we can start getting the rest of the yard cleaned up. We did get a trailer, but the wheels are junk on it and the rims, so I gotta try and get some new rims and tires. I took these rims off one of the tractors, one of the old rider from last year, but they don't fit on good, and the tires were junk. But these are the tires that was on the trailer. So (16 by 6.50 8). Kind of a weird number for a tire, but yeah, being a small trailer tire. Well, and I'm sorry for it being so shaky, but if anybody has any advice for making better videos, definitely let me know. Oh yeah, this is another lawnmower I picked up, a John Deere, but there's no rear end on it. I gotta get a rear end. I think that one would be better for out in the woods, because that one has like granny low and high range. Alright, buddy. Yeah, you can hear it backfiring now. Alright, I'll see you guys later.